Another one, Paul here. Today I'm going to be talking about a universal strategy. Now, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I went over this universal strategy with stocks, but I'm going to be going over this same universal strategy, but we're going to be talking about Forex today. And we're going to be looking at one or two Forex pairs. And we're going to apply the same strategy that I put in yesterday's video. And we're going to kind of see how this strategy works. Now, in order for this to work well, you need either need Ghost Market Pro, or you'll need an upgraded version of TradingView, one or the other. I'll show you how to do it with Ghost Market Pro. If you get Ghost Market Pro, you can probably get away with not having it on TradingView. But if you don't have Ghost Market Pro, you're going to need TradingView. So just because there's a couple indicators here that you need to make this work. So anyway, I'm going to show you the strategy. I'm going to go over it again, and then I'm going to go over how this will work with Forex. Okay, so let me run down the formula one more time. Now, first, I'm going to show you how to use it with Ghost Market Pro, and then how to use it without it. First, if you get Ghost Market Pro, I'll put links below. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm the only one on YouTube making videos about it, but I like their indicator a lot. But anyway, once you get Ghost Market Pro, you want to just get the swing. You want to load up the swing indicator, and you want to check off everything here, except for the 90 and the 95. You keep those, and that's how you use it with Ghost Market Pro. That's the only one you need. Now, for those that don't want Ghost Market Pro, I'm going to turn this off real quick, and we're going to load up a free indicator here. It's called CMEMA Trend Bars. You're going to have to click it twice, and you basically go in there in the settings and go to your inputs, and you change it. You change it to 90 and 95. And it'll be the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. So you'll notice that this is pretty much the same thing. I can put back on Ghost Market Pro. Now if you get Ghost Market Pro, it's going to be the swing. So now, without changing everything, if you don't check anything off, it's going to look like this. So what I do, you go in and you uncheck everything. Okay, so we got 90, 95 right here. So you'll notice that if I hide Ghost Market Pro, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It picks up everything. It's the colors might be a little bit more brighter, but other than that, it's the same thing. So I'm going to get rid of the trend bars, but you guys can choose which one you want. Get the trend bars if you don't want Ghost Market Pro. If you want to get Ghost Market Pro, you only need one indicator. So that's how you do it, with or without Ghost Market Pro. Now the strategy, you also need the MACD. With the MACD, what I do is I hide the histogram and I focus on the lines. So anyway, let's go over a couple scenarios here with the Japan yen. Now, there's a couple ways to get in your trades. You want to focus on that line from the 90-95, and you make your entries based off of what that bar is saying. So if the bar is saying it'll turn red or green to red. So there's a couple ways to do trades. If it turns red, if the line turns red, you only focus on bearish movements. You're only going to be focusing on sell orders. You're not going to go against the trend. Whatever. That's why this line is so important, because it tells you what the overall trend is doing, and therefore you know what to look for. Okay, so I forgot to mention this other indicator right here. This is the 3 smooth moving averages, and it's the 10 and 20. So I also have that as well. I forgot to mention that. But anyway, let's say, for example, right here, you see that it goes from green to red. So when it when it focuses on red, you're only focused on sell orders. So there's a couple ways to do trades here. One way is to look at your MACD and you focus on all the times when the blue line is crossing down. So when the blue line is crossing down, you actually get that right here, right when it starts. But let's just look at a couple other examples of, longer trades to where it kind of shows you here. So you see that it turns green right here. So in this moment, we focus on green, but it kind of happens right at that moment. So let's just find longer trades. Okay, so right here is a big bearish movement. Let's see if there's anything in between that we can find. We see it happening right there. It doesn't happen again. So yeah, this is a big down movement here. So it's usually the MACD is picking up right when it happens. So let's just see if there's any other examples here. See, okay, here we go. We got a long bearish moment right here. So in this scenario, you would want to focus on all the moments where it's going down. So from here, you want to focus on all the moments where the MACD is going down. So you'll find those moments right. You find a couple. Right here, you'll see the blues going down. So this would be a good moment to get in. You can ride this out, and this is almost 1,000 pips. So let's go back and look at a couple more. Okay, so this is a bullish. So right here, you'll see it's going down. You can come in right here, because we see on the MACD that it's crossing up. So you can come in right about here, and you ride that out. So that's 239 pips right there. Let's look at a couple more, and then I think you guys get the general idea for this strategy. So we got a bearish right here from the line from the 90-95. So you can actually get in right here, and you can get in right here. You see it in the MACD. So you guys get a general idea of how to find it. You'll use Ghost Market Pro, the 90-95, or you'd use the trend bars to find the overall direction. So you find the overall direction. So that's one method of using the strategy. You can also, what I like doing with this strategy is for longer trades, and I've made videos about this one. But, you can make your trades here as soon as it goes from red to green or green to red. Use this as an example. Let's say it goes from red to green, like right here, and you can basically come in when it changes color, and then you just get out when the line crosses on the MACD. So that's one way. Or you can actually ride it out if you want, get a longer scalp. The moment it turns, if you notice, the moment it turns red to green, for the most part, it never returns back to this moment. And you find that a lot with trades. So another reason why I have the 10 and the 20 is the 10 and the 20 are also, it's also an excellent way of finding moments to actually get in trades. Now remember, you need to Ghost Market Pro or the 90-95 to find the overall trend. And once you know the overall trend, you can find those moments with the 10 and 20 as well. You see it crossing down here, and you find those moments. And what the 10 and 20 actually do, and they actually help a lot because they help find consolidation zones. The lines are too close together, so that tells me that there's a lot of sideways movement. So you use these formula here. There's like 3 different ways of finding good signals by using this strategy. You use the 90-95 or the Ghost Market Pro to find the overall signal. Then you can go look at your MACD and find good moments to get in. Use your 10 and 20 to also find good moments to get in. Or you can find moments where it goes from bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish, and get in on those moments. So this works extremely well for Forex. this universal strategy helps me out a lot. It brings in a lot of good results. What I do personally is I practice with the strategy. You know, before I do another prop firm challenge, I practice with the strategy, and it works out very well. So there's a lot of indicators for this universal strategy. If you want Ghost Market Pro, you don't necessarily need a trading view account. But if you don't get a Ghost Market Pro, you're going to need a trading view account. So it's whichever way you want to do it. But all these indicators and how I have everything set up makes everything work extremely well, and it brings some pretty good results. So anyway, I'm not really responsible for any profit or loss from the context of this video. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research and what works for you. But anyway, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys in future videos.